Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're making an easy blanket using cotton yarn. So without further ado, we'll get started. I'm using 5mm crochet hook and as I said a cotton yarn. I'm gonna start by making a magic loop and chain 50. Once I'm done chaining 50, I'm gonna make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and one single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. For the next row, I'm gonna chain one and one single crochet in the very first stitch as chain one single crochet in every stitch. So I'm gonna repeat that for 9 more rows. I should have total of 10 rows of single crochet. Now from this row, what I'm gonna do at the end, I'm gonna chain one and one single crochet in the same stitch where I did my last single crochet. So chain one and one single crochet in the same stitch, and working on the sideways, I'm gonna make one single crochet in every chain or in every stitch. And in the next corner, in the stitch corner, I'm gonna make one single crochet, chain one single crochet. So we're gonna be working in spiral without closing each row. What I'm gonna do in each corner, which are 4 corners, is single crochet, chain one single crochet in every corner and one single crochet in every stitch throughout the work. So whenever I reach one corner, that's what I'm gonna do: single crochet, chain one single crochet till you finish the blanket. And I have used one skein of yarn. I'll put the link in the description box to achieve this blanket. So this is what you get at the end of the work: a nice, beautiful and easy blanket to make. It's a bit similar in shape of the solid granny square. However, these stitches are much tighter and smaller because we're using single crochet stitch. This is a beginner friendly blanket if you are a beginner with crochet and you want to make something easy. So this is perfect blanket to start with. I hope you like the tutorial and you find it easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.